Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olson and today we're drawing a folding surprise sugar skulls. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with, I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. We're gonna start folding the paper in half. Then we're gonna take the bottom part and fold in half again. Now we're gonna flip it over and fold one more time, and then we're gonna open it, you're gonna flip it, and we're gonna start drawing right here. Okay little artists, let's start this picture with my paper folding this way, and I want to start here on the center of the paper, putting my finger and now drawing a circle. Now I want to leave the finger space and I'm gonna do another circle, the same here. And this is gonna be for the flowers. This is the center of the flowers. They look like this. Now let's do the petals of the flowers. We're gonna start on the left side. We're gonna do upside down letter U's. I'm putting one on the center and then one on the side, and I'm gonna fit two on the bottom, one on the right. Now let's continue with the flower on the right side. For the flower on the center is gonna be on the background. Same idea. And remember to not cross the folding part here, okay? Now let's continue with the flower in the middle, and we're gonna make the petals go in behind. Okay, now that we have the flowers, we're gonna start with the skull, the bottom part. We're just gonna follow the circle in the middle, and we're gonna go down, and we're gonna leave the space of two fingers, and I'm gonna put a little dot. That's gonna be my center, is gonna reach that way. Now from this point, I'm gonna do a line that goes on both sides. So I'm just gonna go here doing a line, and it's a short line. That's gonna be the base of the skull, and it's about 3 fingers space between the folding part and the line. Now let's do a curve that goes from the flowers, cross the folding part, and go kind of like halfway. Now let's do the same thing here, cross the folding part and start curving down, and stop right there. I'm leaving a space between this and the line. We're gonna join these two, making a curve that goes in and down, kind of like an upside down letter L. This one, the same thing. Now let's do the teeth, and the teeth are upside down letter U's. I want to start from this corner, and I'm gonna go up and down, and I'm gonna try to fill this space with these letters, like this. And now let's continue with the face. I want to start with the nose. I'm gonna do a heart shape for the nose. On the left side, I'm gonna do a circle. It's a small, and make sure that you have room around to decorate this eye, and the same thing here. I'm gonna do the circle double. And we're gonna do now little curves that go around of the second circle. I'm just going around without touching that circle and without crossing the folding part. Okay, remember that you can add another decorations. You can change the ones that we just did. We're gonna see that at the end of the video. Now let's open the paper, and we're gonna start with the skull on the top of the paper. We're gonna cross here, going down and curving. Let's do the same thing in the other side. Try to make it look the same size, like this. Now let's close the bottom part. Let's do the same idea of we did before with an upside down letter L, and we're gonna close here with a line. And I wanna copy the same idea of the teeth. We're gonna do upside down letter U's until I fill this space. I want to make a heart here for the nose, and it's gonna have 3 curves on the bottom just to make it look different. And for the eyes, I'm gonna do the same idea, a circle. Now we're gonna do a second circle with the point of the marker. And now we're gonna do petals like this here. So we're gonna start going around. So it's upside down letter U's, and I'm just going around the second circle. The second skull is gonna be bigger. We're gonna start from the teeth, crossing the folding part. We're gonna cross the folding part, and we're gonna make a big letter C. Now let's do the same here. From the teeth, going around, crossing the folding part, and stopping right there, leaving a space in the bottom. It looks almost like an oval shape. No, the teeth, I'm gonna make it different than these ones. We're gonna start with U shapes on the bottom. 1, 2, and 3. For the nose, we're gonna start with the same shape that we did up here, a triangle with 3 curves on the bottom. And this skull is gonna look different. She's gonna look like she's sleeping. So I'm gonna start with a letter U, here a letter U, and we're gonna make this double. So I'm making one bigger or longer on the bottom. We're gonna close here. Now we're gonna do some decorations up here. I want to start here, right here in the folding part. I'm gonna do 2 circles, and then we're gonna do curves around it for the flower. And these ones are now touching this circle in the middle. A different way to make a flower. And now we're gonna do some leaves here, curves that go out. I'm gonna put 3 right here. I'm doing the same thing in the other side. Now let's finish the skull on the bottom. It's gonna cross the folding part, and it's gonna join here on top with the other one. So we're gonna cross, connect, we're gonna cross and connect. And there, that's it. We finished this sugar skull on a stack. These are very popular for Day of the Dead. And this is how it looks, all open. Let's close the paper. And this is how they look when we open. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and it was easy to follow with me. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color! Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how my sugar skull looks like when I put some colors. I also add a lot of flowers around it and not just follow these steps. We also add here different kind of petals. These represent the flowers that we use for Day of the Dead. Now let's open the paper. And here's my skulls. These look so beautiful, yeah, with the colors. You can use your imagination, or you can pause the video to copy these designs that I put on them. I'm just trying to add a lot of colors. I also add a lot of flowers like this one with this idea. And you can add as many as you want. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time!